Yeah, hi. This is Kaling, Naturals Technical Trainer here. So today I'm going to show some a simple and easy puff, like how do you do a puff in a very scanty hair without backcombing it or and making the puff look. I mean, making the puff for a stay for a very longer time. So here we're just going to use some easy steps to make a puff and to make it to stay for a longer time. So now we're going to do generally, like what's the difficulty we face in, like if we do a puff for the a straight hair, it does not stay longer. But now that, like, without any back combing, without doing anything, we're just going to do a puff with the use of a crimper, so which will stay for about 4 to 5 hours. So this is the final shot. So here's